Want to learn artificial intelligence without spending a single rupee? Here are the best free AI courses you can start right now. Number 1, Elements of AI by the University of Helsinki. It's beginner-friendly, and you don't need to know coding to get started. Number 2, AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera. Perfect for understanding how AI is changing business and daily life. Number 3, MIT Open Learning's AI and machine learning courses. Get access to real MIT lectures, all for free. Number 4, Microsoft. Learn AI fundamentals. Hands-on lessons using Azure tools and practical projects. And finally, Great Learning's free AI courses. Short, practical, and many include free certificates. Perfect for quick upskilling. No excuses. Your AI journey starts today. Comment AI, and I'll share all the links below. Like, share, and subscribe for more.